In this video, we are going to show you how to set up Google Search Console for Shopify. So there are two things you need. You need to have your Shopify account logged in, right? You're logged into your Shopify account, and you need to go to your browser and search for Google Search Console. Now, once you are here, you want to click on Start Now. So on Google Search Console Start Now, you have two options, domain and URL prefix. So we're going to stop here right now, and we're going to go back to our Shopify account. Now here, I want you to look at the left hand side. This is going to be our main menu dashboard. I want you to click on Online Store, right? So once we are under Themes, this page, I want you to click on View Your Store, right? Click View Your Store, like so. And a new tab will appear, and this is going to be our Shopify store. Now, why do we need to do this? Because we need to copy our store's URL or link and go back to the Google Search Console. And I want you to, under URL prefix, just paste your store's URL to here, click continue. It's going to verify your store. And here, this pop-up will appear, and we want to just click on verify, or you want to go all the way HTML tag, you can do that too, but just click on verify. And it's going to verify. This might take a few minutes. There we go. So ownership verification failed, because here's the thing. This is a trial store. This is not live, but once you are live, you'll be able to verify your store and be able to connect it, meaning Google Search Console, to your Shopify account. After that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.